So, this is Stinky the Garbage Truck. He's one of the most popular Matchbox items of all time, and I'll show you why. We're actually bringing him back because he was so popular. What's up, Stinky? How you doing today? Yeah! Yeah! He'll actually react differently if you don't clap to where if you do clap. He's a super interactive toy. He gets very hungry. So lucky we've got these Matchbox cars. Just stick one in your mouth right there, Stinky. And then, of course, you need to dump him out the back.
Very cool.
What's back here, Stinky? That's why they call him Stinky.
Yeah.